Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2016 Jaguar XE, and on this Jaguar XE we're going to go over how you would remove this exterior door handle to be able to replace it if you need to, as well as your door lock cylinder. The door lock cylinder is where you put the key in to unlock the door. So to start with, you can take a small screwdriver or the key and be able to pop this cover off just by inserting and pulling it out and then popping up. And then we need to remove this the door lock cylinder out. And so the way you do that, there will be a black cover right here, and then we'll be able to go inside there toward the outside of the door with the T25, and you just loosen this all the way. And it has a stopping point that it'll just spin, but it won't come all the way out, right? So now, with that removed, then you'll be able to take your screwdriver, and while you're kind of pulling on the handle a little bit, you'll be able to just pull out the door lock cylinder. And then you'll need to take this handle, pull it toward the back, and then you'll be able to move this out, and we have this electric connector that we need to undo to remove the whole handle. By pressing the tab. Now we want to do our best to keep this within reach, that it doesn't fall inside the door, otherwise you have to take the whole interior of the door off. So then, if you've got your new door handle, because this one got scratched or broken in any function, or the electrics aren't working inside of it, you've got a new one ready to go on. So you take your new one, we're going to make sure we make that electric connection, press it together, and now we're going to insert the whole handle. Make sure that there's a little tab on here. We make sure that that goes inside the hole also, and then we'll be able to press that and pull it forward and lock that into place. Now we'll want to put our door lock cylinder in, and we just pull the handle out a little bit and be able to press that in and let the handle go. And now we'll tighten up the T25 screw in here, and that's all tightened up. We have this cover to put back on. Just line it up, snap it into place, and then next we have our little black cover to put back on right there. And that's how you would change your exterior door handle on your 2016 Jaguar XE. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.